Korean Grammar Day 2. Ieo, Yeo. The meaning is am, are. This is normal daily life format which you will add after your noun. If your noun end with a consonant, you will add Ieo. If vowel, then you will add Yeo. Here are some examples.
책이에요. It is a book. 가방이에요. It is a bag. 학생이에요. I am a student. 의자예요. It is a chair. 물이에요. It is water. 커피예요. It is coffee. 선생님이에요. I am a teacher. 여자예요. She is a woman. 남자예요. He is a man. 친구예요. He is a friend. 이것은 제 연필이에요. This is my pencil. 여기는 시장이에요. Is this a market? 시장이에요. Yes, this is a market. 이 사람이 누구예요? Who is this person? 제 아버지예요. He is my father.
책, book, 학생, student, 의자, chair, 물, water, 커피, coffee, 선생님, teacher, 여자, woman, 남자, man, 친구, friend. 이것, this, 제 말, 연필, pencil. 여기, here, 시장, market, 네, yes, 이 사람, this person, 누구, who, 아버지, father,